Where does all the dust come from when bulk products are dumped into receiving pits? It is carried along with the air that's being displaced. During the unloading of any bulk product such as soybeans, corn, or rice, dust-laden air is forced out of the pit and into the atmosphere. When this dust threatens the well-being of your employees or neighbors, you are on your way to having big problems and possible legal actions. The most practical solution with the minimum amount of disturbance is the installation of DustControl, manufactured in Brazil by Wings Limited and Antares Engineering. There are two types of dust control systems. The mechanical system for receiving pits without hydraulic dump platforms, and an electronic system for receiving pits with the hydraulic dump platform. The dust control systems have modules with louvers that are installed below the pit grade and do not interfere with trucks or trains circulating above. The electronic dust control modules shown here are controlled by a PLC and operate with sensors and pneumatic cylinders, without noise and with low energy consumption. At the beginning of the unloading, the louvers are closed and no product is allowed to fall into the pit. Once amount of product is formed above the grate, sensors send a signal to selectively open some of the louvers below the mound, allowing product to fall into the pit. As the product enters the pit, air is expulsed. But because there is a mound of product above the pit, the air has to pass through it, and the product acts as a filter, maintaining the dust within the mound. The product itself is the filter, and clean air is liberated into the atmosphere. The mechanical dust control is even simpler, working with pits without hydraulic platforms. The modules use counterweights that keep the louvers closed until a mound of product has formed above the pit grate. The weight of the product forces the louvers open, and the air being expulsed out of the pit passes through the product, being filtered in the process. Zero electricity, zero noise, zero maintenance. The unloading process that used to generate large quantities of dust now is free of dust, with air so clean that people can circulate around a truck without masks or threats to their health, and the neighbors stop complaining. There are many other benefits. Dust control doesn't occupy space above the grate. There is an excellent cost-benefit relationship. The operation is very simple. The mechanical system is completely automatic. It does not require operators. The electronic system can be operated automatically or manually. There is no noise. There is very low or zero maintenance. The electronic system uses the energy of a compressor motor, while the mechanical system uses neither electricity nor pneumatic energy. The two systems are explosion-proof. Installation is done in 2 to 5 days. The systems can be installed in any pit. The modules are custom designed for each pit. Dust control uses the product as a filter. It's an elegant and efficient solution. With 250 systems in 5 countries, dust control is installed below the grades of receiving pits. There is no noise nor energy consumption, has an excellent cost-benefit relationship, and captures almost 100% of the dust being expelled during the unload. In Brazil, dust control has been approved by all state regulators. To learn more, visit www.wingsltda.com or call 5511 4772 4070.